Welcome to the channel where drones don't fly for fun, they fly for industry. Today, let's explore 5 industrial drone inspections that are transforming sectors like energy, infrastructure, and telecom through speed, precision, and automation. Number 1. Infrastructure inspection. In large scale facilities like factories, industrial warehouses, oil and gas refineries, and solar farms, drone inspections are critical for assessing structural health, thermal anomalies, roof integrity, and equipment wear. They reduce manual inspection time, minimizing human risk, and deliver data for predictive maintenance, making them ideal for heavy industrial and complex installations. Number 2. Wind turbine inspection. Drones are essential for inspecting wind turbines, especially those in remote or offshore locations. They assess blade erosion, surface cracks, lightning strike damage, and bearing conditions without the need for rope, access, or downtime. This technology helps renewable energy companies maintain turbine efficiency and extend operational life. Number 3. Tower inspection. For telecom and transmission companies, drones provide a safer, faster way to inspect tall towers and masts. They capture high-resolution imagery of antenna, cables, mountings, and structural components. Inspections that used to require climbers and shutdowns can now be done in minutes with zero contact and full documentation. Number 4. Power industry inspection. In the power sector, drones are widely used to inspect substations, transmission lines, transformers, and insulators. Equipped with thermal imaging and zoom capabilities, they detect faults like overheating connectors, damaged insulators, or corroded joints. This allows utilities to prevent outages and manage their grid infrastructure more proactively. Number 5. Bridge and road inspection. Civil infrastructure inspections, especially bridges, flyovers, and highways, benefit greatly from drone-based photogrammetry and LiDAR scanning. Drones access expansion joints, structural fatigue, corrosion, and drainage system without disrupting traffic or requiring physical scaffolding. Their ability to access hard-to-reach angles ensure comprehensive safety evaluations. So, what kind of drones do all this? Depends on the job. We're talking DJI Matrix 30T, Mavic 3 Enterprise, M300 RTK, even LiDAR-equipped drones for mapping. Each drone is picked based on the task: thermal imaging, zoom, mapping, you name it. Now here's the best part. If you're in an industry that only needs inspections occasionally, like quarterly audits or one-time infrastructure reviews, you don't have to buy any of these drones at all. Instead, you can simply book inspection services. Xboom offers full drone inspection services. We bring the drone, the pilot, the tech, and the reports. Done and dusted. But if you're ready to fly your own fleet, you can buy all these industrial drones at www.xboom.in, and yes, at the best prices in India. If this kind of tech-driven insights excite you, hit like, share with your team, and subscribe for more. Because when your inspections go aerial, your decisions get better.